check. I did get one. I did get the steamer for a Christmas present. I do believe I have that. I do believe so. I'm gonna check my basement. But yes, guys. So the chicken look lovely. I love the color. You know, it's doing its thing. I gotta clean up the stove because the grease popped. So I normally just clean as I go. Okay, ouch. So let's clean as we go. Always clean as you go. Leave the kitchen clean when you get done cooking, okay? Stove is clean. Kitchen is clean. Looks good, right? The grease popped, so I want to just clean it off a bit, right? Thank you guys for the thumbs up. Woo! Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for hanging out with me on the Sunday. Sunday is our fun day. Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. Yes. I'm gonna put that there. Let's see if we can pull this up a bit. Sorry, guys. Can you see better now? And slant. No, we don't even have to move. We just slant it. I forgot we don't have to move no more. Just slant it. Yep. And if we bold it a bit, too bold. Yep. Too bold. Okay. It's perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. That's good. I'm always trying to get the best shot. That's just me, guys. I'm always trying to get the best shot for you guys. See? Okay. Oh, it's good, right? Yeah. It's good. Okay, Mish. Okay, I'll be here. I'll be here. Yeah, I'll be here. I'm gonna get some napkin for the grease. Turn that up. Yeah, a lot of grease. Alright, let's turn it back up. So guys, these are finished, so now I'm just going to remove them. Alright.